So look at that for consistency. That's a cracking consistency, is that, for creme brulee? The richest, creamiest creme brulee you've ever eaten. Boil 600 millilitres of double cream. Turn down to a slow simmer and reduce the cream to 450 millilitres or thereabout. Give it a stir now and again to make sure that it's not catching on the bottom of the pan. Add 45 grams of sugar. Make sure that it's completely melted. Add the seeds from the vanilla pod. Separate 5 eggs. Whisk your yolk. Add a little of the cream to the yolk. Add the yolks back to the cream, whisking as you go so we don't split the yolk. Scrape out the bowl. Put the pan back on the heat and gently cook until custard has thickened and the eggs have cooked. Pour through a sieve to make sure there's no cooked bits of egg in there. Give it a gentle tap to make sure all the custard goes through the sieve. We don't want to push it through, we just want it to go through naturally. Scrape off the bottom of the sieve, we don't want to waste any of that delicious custard. Give it a mix, pour it into your mould and chill until set solid. Sprinkle the top with sugar, wipe the edge to get rid of all the excess sugar. Take your fancy blowtorch, caramelize the top. Careful not to burn your fingers though. Move the caramel around just so you get an even coating. Allow it to cool, put more sugar on top of the caramel to get an extra crunchy top. Perfect, that's delicious.